Hello students, today I'm going to tell you about how tort is different from contract. So the topic is tort distinguished from contract. So the difference between tort and contract. In a tort, no privity exists or is needed as harm always is inflicted against the will of the party that is injured. But in contract, there must always exist a privity of contract between parties, that is, the parties must be legally bounded to each other. In tort, minor can be sued and damages are paid out of his property. But in contract, minority is a good defense as minor's contract is a void ab initio and no rule of estoppel applies. When we talk about tort, it is inflicted without or against the consent of the party. That is, the obligation arises without any consent. But in the case of contract, it is not like that. It is different and it is opposite of tort. So, in a contract, obligation is founded on the consent of the parties. That is, the consent is the essence of a contract. Now, the fourth difference between tort and contract is this, that in torts, mistakes is not a defense, even if it is innocent mistake. For example, if A enters B's house by mistake, action lies in tort for trespass. But in contract, a contract entered by mistake is void, but mistake of law one's own country is no defense as everybody is supposed to know the law of one's own country. Fifth distinction is this, that in torts, tort is a violation of infringement of a right in rem, that is, right available against the world at large. But in contract, it is right in personam. So it is a violation in tort, it is a violation of a right in personam. This is the right available and enforceable against a particular person. Now, in tort, in case of tort, duty is fixed or imposed by law and is owned to the community at large. In case of contract, duty is fixed by the will and the consent of the parties and it is owned to the definite person or persons. Now, in case of torts, motive is often taken into consideration, but in contract, the motive for the breach is immaterial. In torts, damages awarded may be real, exemplary, unliquidated, or contemptuous. In contract, real and liquidated damages are awarded, exemplary damages are rarely awarded. Now, the last difference is that the period of limitation in case of torts usually run from the date when the damage is suffered. In contract, the period of limitation runs from the date of the breach. The possible similarities between contract and tort are, the main similarity is that both contract and tort law are meant to deal with any breaches of duties by a party. The two laws usually apply if the breach results in losses or injuries to any of the parties involved. Also, each branch of law seeks to get justice to the victim who suffers the damages in question. That's all. Thank you.